If you're over 60 and feel like your legs just aren't what they used to be, you're not imagining it, and you're not alone. Something very real is happening inside your body, and most people are never properly warned about it. Picture this for a moment. You're walking up the stairs to your bedroom. Halfway up, your legs start to burn. Your knees feel shaky. You instinctively reach for the railing and grip it a little tighter than you used to. You make it to the top, but you pause, slightly out of breath, wondering when something so simple became so hard. For many older adults, this moment is the first quiet warning sign. After the age of 60, the body naturally begins losing leg muscle mass at a rate of up to 3% per year. That loss isn't just cosmetic. It affects balance, strength, reaction time, and independence. Over time, it can determine whether someone continues walking confidently or begins relying on rails, walkers, or assistance just to get around. Long-term studies have shown that seniors who experience significant leg weakness are dramatically more likely to develop mobility problems within the next decade. But here's the hopeful part. Muscle loss after 60 is not fixed or irreversible. Researchers have found that specific, simple movements done correctly and consistently can reverse a large portion of age-related leg weakness in just a few months. No gym memberships, no machines, no complicated routines, just intentional movement using your own body weight. Today, you're going to learn 3 of the most effective movements for rebuilding leg strength, balance, and stability after 60. These exercises are simple, safe, and powerful when done correctly. Many people report noticeable improvements in as little as 2 weeks. Let's begin. Movement 3. Wall sits. At first glance, wall sits look almost too simple to matter. You lean against a wall and hold a seated position. That's it. But what's happening inside your body during a wall sit is anything but simple. Wall sits activate the large muscles on the front of your thighs, known as the quadriceps. They also engage your glutes, hamstrings, and the small stabilizing muscles around your knees and hips. Muscles that are essential for standing, walking, and climbing stairs safely. What makes wall sits especially valuable for older adults is that they strengthen muscles without moving the joints. This creates what's called isometric tension. The muscles work hard, but the knees and hips stay protected. That's why wall sits are often recommended for people who experience knee discomfort or joint stiffness. In studies involving adults over 60, regular wall sit practice significantly increased leg strength and improved balance scores. Better balance means fewer falls, and fewer falls mean greater independence. To perform a wall sit correctly, start by standing with your back flat against a wall. Place your feet about shoulder width apart and roughly 2 feet away from the wall. Before sliding down, tighten your core muscles gently, as if bracing for a cough. This protects your lower back and improves muscle engagement. Slowly slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, forming a 90-degree angle at the knees. If that position is too challenging at first, stop higher up and gradually work lower over time. Your knees should stay aligned above your ankles, not pushed forward. Wall sits are most effective when done earlier in the day, when muscles are fresh and coordination is better. Movement 2. Step-ups. Step-ups may be one of the most practical exercises you can do after 60 because they mimic real-life movement. Every time you climb stairs, step onto a curb, or get into a car, you're performing a step-up. Unlike many exercises that use both legs at once, step-ups train one leg at a time. This is critical because nearly everyone has a stronger side and a weaker side. Step-ups prevent the stronger leg from doing all the work and force each leg to build its own strength. Research shows that seniors who can perform controlled step-ups consistently are far more likely to maintain long-term mobility and independence. To begin, find a sturdy step or stair about 6 to 8 inches high. Stand facing the step with your feet hip-width apart. If balance is a concern, position yourself near a wall or railing for light support. Place your entire right foot on the step, heel included. Push through your heel to lift your body up, bringing your left foot off the ground. Avoid pushing off with the back leg. The leg on the step should do the work. Once you're standing on the step, slowly lower yourself back down over 3 full seconds. This slow descent is where much of the strength building happens. Start with 10 repetitions on one leg, then switch. As the movement becomes easier, increase the step height rather than rushing the repetitions. Slower, controlled movement builds more strength and speed. Perform step-ups every other day to allow muscles time to recover and grow stronger. On rest days, gentle walking helps maintain circulation without overloading the joints. Pay close attention to knee alignment. Your knee should track straight over your toes, not cave inward. Good alignment protects the joints and prevents discomfort. Movement #1, single leg stands. This is the most powerful movement on the list and the most overlooked. Standing on one leg may seem simple, but it challenges your body in a unique way. When you balance on one leg, dozens of muscles activate simultaneously to keep you upright. This includes muscles in your foot, ankle, knee, hip, core, and even your back. Balance ability is one of the strongest predictors of long-term health and independence. People who struggle to balance on one leg are more likely to experience falls, mobility loss, and reduced confidence in daily movement. Single leg stands improve strength, balance, coordination, and even bone density at the same time. When you place your body weight on one leg, the bones receive a gentle compressive signal that encourages bone maintenance and strength. To perform a single leg stand, begin near a chair or counter for safety. Stand tall with your weight evenly distributed. Slowly lift one foot off the floor, bending the knee slightly. Keep the standing leg straight, but not locked. Focus your eyes on a fixed point ahead of you. This improves balance by giving your brain a visual anchor. Hold the position for 30 seconds, then switch legs. Once you can hold for 30 seconds comfortably, increase the challenge by closing your eyes for part of the time. This trains your internal balance systems and improves reaction time. As you progress, gently moving the lifted leg forward and backward or turning your head side to side adds another level of coordination. Perform single leg stands several times throughout the day, morning, afternoon, and evening. This frequent practice helps your nervous system adapt faster and reduces fall risk, especially during nighttime movement. Putting it all together, these 3 movements work best when done in sequence. Wall sits to warm up and activate muscles. Step-ups to build functional strength. Single leg stands to integrate balance and coordination. The full routine takes about 15 minutes and can be done 3 times per week. On rest days, gentle walking or stretching supports recovery. Consistency matters more than intensity. Small, regular efforts lead to lasting strength and confidence.